let's learn how you can create AI generated song. So in this tutorial we will use two sites. One is ChatGPT and one is Suno AI. So first we will have to go to ChatGPT and ask him to write us a lyrics about our song. So first step what we will do is to introduce him to Suno website, and we will ask him few questions before we state our lyrics. So okay, so he knows what Suno is. Now we will tell him to connect with that site and write us a lyrics that we can use on that website to create a song. So I asked him right now to write me a song, and I did make some description on it. So it's literally nothing, but the more detail you have lyrics, the better song will be made. So you can also correct and improve ChatGPT if you don't like something in these lyrics. I won't do that because it's just for the tutorial. And we have created our song, okay? Now you want to go to Suno website. So when you open this, you want to log in first, and this should be your working page. Now you want to click on this custom button first, and it will open lyrics and style of music tab. Now you want to enter your own lyrics right here. So we did that one. Now to style of music, you want to create and write down right here what gender you want your music to be. So you can go up to rock, hip hop, rap, drill, whatever you want. We want something, for example, melody, guitar. What else can we add? I think these three will be enough. Now we want to copy the title. These two you can leave as they are, and you just want to click on create button. And our songs are creating right now. Okay, now we can see what will that sound us. First one is done. You will get the two examples of the song. So let's hear first one.
When I saw you, my heart skipped a beat, like a song in the summer, so soft and so sweet. Every word that you whisper.
So that would be the first song. Now we can listen to second.
From the moment I saw you, my heart skipped a beat, like a song in the summer, so soft and so sweet. Every word that you whisper.
And that will be the second one. Now, of course, you can edit everything. You can create up to 4 songs right here for free. What you can do is, if you don't like one song and you want to create new, you can just delete something and you can create new song for free also. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.